everyone, it's Lisa. Welcome back to my channel. I've got another unboxing today and initial thoughts of a new item that I have procured. As you're seeing the blue envelope, many of you will recognize this as a Chic Sparrow. So I did buy another Chic Sparrow cover, and this one is different from not almost, it is different than any other Chic Sparrow cover I've ever bought from that shop ever. And so today I'm going to do a new one. Let me just get rid of my invoice. I saw this on someone's, I was doing some late night video watching of videos of various unboxings, I would say, with the journaling community. And somebody stumbled on something that I never had considered before, and I really wanted to go ahead and try this one. I know in my last video that I just said a couple of weeks ago that I was looking for alternatives to Chic Sparrow, and I am, but I still like Chic Sparrow stuff. So this comes with the new product warranty card, which I will probably keep for this one. Oh, and I've got a new sticker. I've never gotten the rose in a heart shape before. It's very pretty. Put that to the side and add that to my collection. But this case I bought, and I just want to make sure I get the leather correctly. This is going to be a Giovanni Artist cover, and I got this one, if I can just undo this correctly. I got this one, oh, this is really pretty, in a narrow. So this should fit what is the traveler's, excuse me, got stuff on my dining room table. This should be able to fit a traveler's notebook insert. So it should be able to fit the stuff that I have in here, and it looks like it will help accommodate that. The reason why I wanted to do this is I like the traveler's notebook. I love this camel color. It's kind of velvety to touch, and I like the charms and stuff, but I am also a little bit frustrated, and this one is a special edition Starbucks Reserve rotisserie one from Tokyo. I want to just make sure I'm in frame here. I wanted to get another one that's a little bit more accommodating on size, because I do like to have a pin loop, which this one has. Like I said, I'm kind of over strings a little bit, but I understand the strings. Oh, this is pretty on the inside. And I don't have one that has cascade pockets. Oh, it smells good too. I did ask for one that has some striations and marks, and it looks like I got that in spades. I've seen a little bit of like texture and grain on this instead of it just being kind of flush. This is really, really pretty. And the narrows are kind of hard to come by. When I ordered this, Chic Sparrow was doing, I think, the President's Day sale. And she was also making available like the new colors for spring. So there was a lot of activity on the Chic Sparrow site. Oh no, they were doing an auction. They were getting ready to just kind of like auction bid or whatever for stuff that she had that she wanted to get rid of. So a lot of things were like just flying off the shelf, and I had a hard time actually trying to figure out what leather and what style out of Chic Sparrow that I wanted. But I did know I wanted a narrow so that I could put the stuff that I have in this one in here. And the reason why I'm kind of buying this one now is I journaled for probably the last couple of years in an A5 size notebook journal that I got from Galen Leathers, and I think I've shown it before on a previous channel. And I'm just at a point now where, quite frankly, I don't have that much that I really wanted to say, and I'm finding the size to be a little bit daunting in the A5 size for just journaling purposes. Also, I'm going to be traveling a little bit this year, and I kind of want to be able to have more width than this is going to allow me for my travels. I've got this insert that I just got done. I'm almost done wrapping this one up on some of the travels that I've done in just the last couple of years. Slowed down a little bit because of COVID, but because our numbers are starting to decrease. There's a window of opportunity to get some travel in this year that I would like to actually move my inserts from this, from this from this traveler's notebook. I'm sorry, I cannot talk. It's Sunday and I have not had a lot of sleep. Trying to move it from here into here, and also be able to have a personal writing journal go into this as well, so that when I'm traveling, I'm not carrying multiple books. And I just don't have any more space in this one with the way that this is configured to get any more additional inserts than the 2 that I have. So with that being said, I'm going to probably put just the insert in here for just journaling purposes, like my own personal thoughts, my brain dumps and stuff like that, in addition to the traveler inserts that I have. So I'm looking forward to like working with this. I really do love the ability to have the pockets. I love the fact that I'll have a pin loop, so I don't have to worry about carrying a pin separately from what I already have. Hopefully I won't need the clip, but I probably will still need to keep the clip going. The one thing I am not going to probably do is take off this clip, this charm off of this and stick it onto here. I'll just probably keep that on here for if I do decide to slim down and actually carry it. So with all that being said, absolutely love this color. I love the color. I like the leather. I'm looking forward to seeing how this is going to patina. It's not the smoothest leather, and I don't mind that actually, but it is a really nice piece of leather, and I really do like the color a lot. I was thinking about getting one that had off white stitching, but I really couldn't get my hands on that. They were gone that quick because of all the activity that was happening on Chic Sparrow's website, but I am really happy to get this one. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and pull all my inserts out of the old traveler's notebook, and I'm going to use the Chic Sparrow bag and put my new one into use, which I wasn't going to do, but I think I'm going to go ahead and just see how this looks. And I'm kind of liking the fact that I can get rid of a band kind of system. Let's see how this is going to work. Put this in on the last one. I'm so used to that actually wrapping underneath. I'm wondering if I can take some of this stuff out. I use some of the Yogi Tea expressions because, you know, they always have these really thoughtful and now deep thoughts by Yogi Tea kind of thing. You know, give with love, get love. Sometimes I like to stick those in my books, and this is perfect. Live light, travel light, spread the light, be the light. I like those little expressions that they have. This is another folder that I usually keep plane tickets in when I'm traveling, and this one is just got some stickers, which I don't know if I'm going to need this, so I'm going to actually pull this out because that's just one less thing to kind of keep track of. And we'll put these, oh yeah, they fit perfectly. I've got my stencils and stickers, stencils and stuff that I like to use. See how deep these pockets are. Not deep enough, so this can go in here. I do actually like really using these stencils. And I think these are going to have to go in here too. So I might actually need to bring this back out. Let's just see how this is all going to work out. Let's go ahead, and I've got to get this insert in. I do like the fact that I don't need the strings, the bands anymore, and I have the sticker release book that I'm absolutely enjoying. And I think I have another insert. Hold on just a second. I'm going to swing around here and look in my drawer. I had it pulled out, and I'm just going to try to grab it really quick if I can find it, because I had it set aside, and of course on camera I can't find it. but I'm going to look for it for just another second. Okay, I was able to find a couple of inserts here. And I got these from Soft Surrounds. I think one of them is for sure. And then another one, I think I just got it generically from maybe Amazon. I think what I'll do, depending on the paper, I think I'm going to just go ahead and put this one in since it seems to be nice and thick. Oh, and nice and smooth as well. So I'm going to go ahead and add this one in. So I have now 3 inserts that I'm able to comfortably fit into this. Oh, that's quite nice. Quite nice indeed. Okay, so I've got 3 inserts in. Sticker release, so I just have a whole bunch of some stickers from other areas that I was kind of keeping them in other journals. I'm going to move those over there. This is a bookmark. So I said I was going to get rid of this one, but I think what I'm going to do, since I use this a lot when I'm traveling, I'm going to go ahead and put the stuff back in there for now, just for safekeeping, because it seems to be working quite well, and I don't want to try to figure this out. Otherwise, this video is going to take forever. So I'll just go ahead and throw these items back in here. If I can ever open this, get these back in, stencils and such. I think I've got these a little bit backwards. Let's do it this way. My little bookmark, which is kind of handy, and I will put my, sorry for the shaking of the camera, my tea sayings in there, and I will go ahead and throw these stickers up here in the front, which I don't feel like sticking on the release paper just because they're kind of they're small and they're kind of delicate, especially these ones from Sotier out of South Korea. And I'll put my little boarding pass keeper. Let me see if I can get that in the back actually. It's already bending, so just go ahead and slide that back here like so. Oh yeah, that's much better fit. Like that, much better. Put that there, and then I can go ahead and kind of clip this one down so that I don't have to worry about that, losing my clip to hold everything, and then voila. So it's a bit of a chunky monkey with 3, but I actually really do like this. And now I know that if I journal, even if I take the travel insert portions out, everything will fit quite nicely, and I don't have to worry about stuff and the overhang, and I can actually stick a fountain pen in here. So that is my thoughts. Please leave your comments below. And any feedback. I hope you liked the video. I know it was a little bit discombobulated, but bear with me. I only had a few hours of sleep for some reason. I didn't sleep very well last night. So I hope all is well with you guys. Stay safe, stay healthy, and until next time, take care. Bye.